Welcome to our channel. This short video will explain what the distribution is, which is a critical aspect of any business that deals with logistics and supply chain management. So, let's get started. What is the distribution definition? It means the movement of products from a central location to various retail or customer locations, including transportation, warehousing, order fulfillment, and inventory management activities. Distribution channels can include direct-to-consumer, business-to-business, or a combination of both. Why is distribution important? It is crucial for businesses to efficiently get their products to market and meet customer demands. By managing the movement of products, businesses can improve order fulfillment speed, reduce transportation costs, and ensure that products are delivered to customers in good condition. Distribution also provides businesses with an opportunity to build strong relationships with retail partners and customers. Thanks for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.